Nevada Flight Crew is where you get to explore science, technology, engineering, and math in real life. You get to learn new skills and meet professionals who show you what all these subjects are about and how they can apply to your future career. It's a great way to figure out what you love to do and even have more fun while learning about these future careers. I joined the Nevada Flight Crew for all of these reasons, and also to be given the opportunity to learn more about what I love doing and meet people with the same interests as me.
Hi, my name is Colby Keller, and I believe that more people should join STEM programs because it helps with problem solving, creativity, and offers a wide range of job opportunities with high earnings, from forensics to engineering and even nursing. It helps with critical thinking and teamwork. There's also a lot of hands-on work too. It helps with getting into better colleges and getting up in a higher rank in a job. These are just some of the reasons that more people should join STEM programs.
Hello, my name is Crystal Luis, and I believe that youth should be involved in STEM after-school programs and clubs, as involvement in these such programs will help youth explore science, technology, engineering, and math, which will help them develop curiosity and problem-solving skills through engaging projects. Since collaboration is encouraged, building teamwork and communication skills will help allow the youth to thrive in collaborative environments and succeed in future academics and professional settings. Early exposure to STEM can inspire future STEM careers, contributing to a strong workforce. In short, STEM programs and clubs provide valuable skills and experiences that benefit youth both academically and personally, preparing them for success in the world.
Hi, I'm Emma Luis. Today, youth is as close as they ever have been with technology. With that, youth minds are more driven to go into STEM after-school programs, being anything from robotics to even Quiz Bowl. Yet there are only a small percentage of our youth that end up falling into this small category. Youth should join STEM after-school programs for the experience you earn from a desired career field that helps you build on ideas for your future career or even just a passion. This experience follows you with developed friendships and the leadership skills that help you build on problem-solving and creativity. This can include from just team building to even mentorships that help guide you in a desired direction for your interest, knowing what suits you and what doesn't. Personally, however, after-school programs are important because of how they help shape the appeal in different industries, even helping to ignite an interest that can help grow a career. Just because a program can be labeled STEM, it shouldn't drive youth away. STEM isn't just related to technical views in school, such as mathematics and science, but the hands-on experience to build skills that, if you really do have a passion for, help you find your way in building what career field you can aim for in the future.
STEM has been a huge part of my life for the past 2 years, and I don't know where I'd be without it. Now, I joined my high school STEM academy when I was a freshman, and I'll admit I had my doubts. I wasn't sure if I wanted to pursue engineering, but I also wasn't sure if I was the right fit for the class. Looking back now, though, I am absolutely certain that that was the best decision I made for myself. STEM opened up so many doors for me, and not just opportunities relating to science and math. Through my STEM program, I learned so many skills that are applicable to so many real-world situations. And that's why STEM programs are so important. Not only do they allow students an environment through which they can explore their interests, but they also provide them with the real-world skills that are absolutely necessary for future success. Above all else, STEM is a gateway to achievement.
Hello, my name is Phoebe Hernandez, and I think that more youth should be involved in STEM after-school programs because they can learn and explore science, technology, engineering, and math, which is what STEM stands for. It also gives kids a chance to learn more on a topic that may not have been mentioned much in school. It is also a great opportunity for youth to learn and develop skills that will be helpful later in life, such as communication, leadership, and problem-solving skills.
Hi, I'm Shreya, and I'm here to explain why it's so crucial for youth to join after-school STEM activities. First of all, joining such things helps set an example for those after us, and it's so important to inspire others to join clubs, especially since it builds our confidence and skills from a young age and shapes how we are as a person. Additionally, youth in STEM bring unique new ideas, and they often have a new perspective to bring into the world. Finally, experience in STEM activities could help bring a bit of a flavor into your resume, helping highlight your strengths while applying for other opportunities, such as a job or college.
As of recording this, my name is Weston Blake, I am 13, and I have been on a robotics team for 3 years. In my experience, I was taught that failure was not a setback, but a leap forward if you use it correctly. Not only that, but being on a robotics team has been a beautiful confidence builder, and I cannot describe how happy I am with it. STEM has given me a sense of fulfillment no other program or club has given me, and for that I am truly grateful. But why join STEM? Well, as mentioned previously, STEM has tremendous effects on your confidence and otherwise morale. It teaches you the important things you need to tell yourself to get you through this life. French artist Henri Matisse once said, "I don't think outside the box, I think what I can do with the box." Innovative thinking is huge with STEM, and even a simple program like robotics can make this field 100 times easier for you. Finally, as if it wasn't enough, STEM is one of the only chances to get you to connect yourself with real-world opportunities. STEM lets you pick what you want to do with your life. So join a STEM program and ask yourself, what do you want to do with your life?